Okay, guys, we're just going to use the relative frequency table here to create a circle graph using a compass and a protractor by hand. Remember that if we say we have a set of data, we want to find the relative frequency, we always divide the amount that something has occurred with the amount that has happened in total in the experiment. So in this case, we had 7 votes for 49 people being surveyed, right? So walk would be 7 divided by 49. It gives you 14%. Okay, and to find the degrees, you multiply that by 360, right? So 14% of 360. Okay, 360 times 14%, which gives you 50.4 degrees, and we keep doing this for the rest of it here. So 360 times 3%. Okay, that gives you 10.8 degrees. Well, then we have 360 times 24.4%. 24.2, that's okay. 87 degrees. Then we have 360 times 38.7 degrees, percent, sorry. We have 139 degrees. And we have finally our last one, 360 times 16.3%. Okay, and we end up with 50, we'll say 59 degrees on that one, okay? Now, once you have the degrees determined, you have degrees for each determined, you want to draw your circle, the compass, okay? Sorry, apologies. Okay, we know this to be the origin in the circle. Okay, then you take your protractor. Let's look at the first one, 50 degrees. You want to establish a baseline at the origin. Okay, and then you want to draw towards 50 degrees using the interior side, starting if you're reading from the right, using the interior degrees. Okay, so we need to draw 50 degrees right there. I'll make a quick line right here. We connect, see that dot there, we connect, okay? This would be your walk, okay? Then we want to draw a bike, which says 10 degrees. So you want to establish this as your baseline, your original line segment after you completed walk. As your next baseline, you want to draw 10 degrees, which is right there. The interior angle, right there. Okay, and this would be your bike. Let's say 10%. Oh, wait, sorry, this is 3%. 3%. This is 14%. We have our next one being car, which is 87 degrees. Again, you want to establish your last line segment as your baseline. And from there you draw 80, 85, 86, 87 right there. Okay. This will be your car, which is 24%. 24.4%. Okay. And our next one is bus, which is 38%, and that is 139 degrees. So this is your next line segment. Or sorry, your baseline, your established baseline, and you want to go to 139 degrees. Now you have to go again the interior angles, 130, 140, right there, 139. Okay. Call this your bus, and this is 38.7 degrees, 38.7%. And now we are finally near the end, which is 59 degrees for 16%. Let's see if this is 59 degrees. If this is 59 degrees or close to 59 degrees, we are A-okay. Okay. Oh, we're slightly off by about 10%. My guess is the only reason we're off by 10% is we've been doing a lot of rounding here. And because of the fact that we're off, I did a lot of rounding, we end up having this as our little percentage. But that's pretty close. Not too bad, not too bad actually.